Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pyntbit subscribe ya an. Myntri Rangbah ka jila konrat ki sangma uloong ba ka Shillong International Film Festival SIFF kadai ka sinjam ka ba kongsan bante ya ka creative ecosystem ha ka jila. Ulaban jul ba omla ban pin urlong ya ginu ki jingtmu la da omdan ka support system ka ba piang bad ongru ba ka sarkar ka latre ha ki prasnem da ka rukam ka ba kentup lang ya baro ki stakeholder. Ulakdo ba kumbasan pho person kinong shnong kidang samla kumta ka sarkar kadang penhe ikilat jingyo kam hagi benta kum ka film bar ka music ula pentip ru ba ka sarkar kelas dang bun ki sinjam kum ka OTT platform busking program bar ka film policy bar ka danru ka jingtmu bante ya ka film city bar film institute ha ka jila Uloong bagani ka festival kamday tangka program shisin Henry ka benta jung ka jingtmu ka bajungay ban pinlong ya ka Meghalaya kum ka jila ka bala lamkman ha ka creative sector. Ka jingira pisay kinong shna film bar ki content creator ka busking program ka ba kershan ya ka ba nyo hajar ngut ki artist ka jingira pisa man ka snem ka bakot hadu live son na ni sabok lor tingka ka jingwara ya ka film policy ban kring ya kinong shna film Ulaong bakini ki sinjam kilong ban ailat kamay bat ban kyntu ya kasap jong ki artist.
When it comes to the film industry also and the entire creative sector. I hope some of you are coming today for the Def Leppard concert. Next month we have the Scorpions concert. And many artists coming as we move along. It's not about one particular show. It's not about one festival that a lot of people tend to criticize sometimes about our government. We're missing the big picture if we just look at one show or one program and say, what is this the government is doing? You have to understand that there's a larger message in everything that we're trying to do. I do hope that in the coming days, again, this is a part of our program and our plan, is to also have a film institute. Because we strongly feel that if we want to develop that ecosystem that we're trying to do out here, to provide that opportunity of being a leader in the creative sector, then it is important that we are able to scientifically approach the process. The people who are doing things out here today are sheer raw talent. They have built up everything on their own. Nobody has guided them and helped them. And yes, when I say that, I do expect a round of applause for them. Let's give a round of applause for them. These are people who had no formal training. They had no support. They had no financial support. Sheer passion and sheer talent made them what they are and achieve what they've achieved today, which I must tell you is remarkable, considering the fact that there was nothing there to support them. But I hope that the investments they've made, the kind of mark that they have left behind in one way, will be a starting point for us to be able to then say that, look, this is the benchmark and now we're going to move ahead with this. But we can't do that unless we do plan it out and create that ecosystem which I'm talking about. And hence, while government supports and all these different kind of programs, and we have these film festivals, it is very important for us to be able to now bring in the technical knowledge, the scientific approach, and provide professional backup and professional training to these individuals who will play a key role in making this particular dream of us come true. And when I say that, it's not just about, I think all of you know it, it's not just about, the actor, it's not just about the producer, it's not about the director, it's about the person who's behind the camera, it's about the person who's behind the lights, it's about the person who's behind the sound, the kind of engineering that goes into the sound, the kind of technical training that goes into all aspects of cinematography and other things. I think all of these aspects require technical knowledge and support. And I hope that as we go along and Shillong and the Northeast becomes a place where we have these kind of systems developing, that tomorrow when somebody wants to produce a film, they don't have to bring the entire crew.
Globally has shown the pains and the pangs and the sufferings of humanity is reflected in a far more realistic manner to move the audience and to make them realize the problems and the celebrations across the globe. With the able leadership of our Chief Minister, with the film policy, Meghalaya has really started to begin a journey where a local talent will now merge with a global field of film world or cinema sector, which is one of the most vibrant sector, giving employment, giving livelihood and huge scope for skilling. So with the talent in music, talent in creativity, our soil is the most rich, agriculturally fertile, and talent-wise, one of the most fertile lands for creative economy. So the government, under able leadership of CM, has visualized this just not as a small sector. It is taken as seriously an industry where the gap would be supported by government, and there will be enough avenues, including theatres, and for expanding the horizons of creative industry to a larger extent to compete and match with the global cinema field. I'm sure that Pradeep Kurba and Basagma have, Dominic Sama, and all already started showing the relevance of our story in a global audience. They were, of course, many of them, Bare has started it, many others have worked it with a lot of suffering, with a lot of difficulty. I mean, it's time to work together and to show to global audience that we have a lot of stories to tell, we have a lot of interesting things to share, and we do care for the globe. I hope and pray, may God Almighty give us all His blessings to project and promote our talent in a global audience and to create far more employment, far more potential, realizing the potential of our youngsters to the world. May God bless Meghalaya, may God bless all of us. And I appreciate and congratulate the Ministry of INB, Film Development Corporation, IPR, and all the people and the artists who have come to take classes, international filmmakers who have come to share the master classes. Let's start this journey. There may be some teething problems, but let's try to make this first Shillong into one of the best film festivals in India and globally. Thank you very much.